Hey everyone, welcome back to Greenscapes, where we bring you creative ideas to transform even the tiniest of spaces into lush green paradises. Today we are focusing on small area gardening for your home. Let's get started. First up, we have the balcony garden. It's the perfect spot for a mini oasis. Begin by selecting plants that thrive in your local climate and consider their sunlight requirements. Mix up things with a variety of plants like sculptans, ferns, and cascading vines for a layered look. Let's talk about kitchen gardens. Utilize your window sills spaces to grow fresh herbs like basils, rosemary, and mint. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they are also great for cooking. Don't forget to label them for easy identification. Now let's move indoor. Floating shelves are fantastic for displaying your green treasures. Mix in some decorative elements like small sculpture and candles to create a harmonious balance. Lastly, let's talk about outdoor seating areas. Even the tiniest portions can become cozy retreats with a bit of creativity. Use vertical spaces with wall mounted plants and consider multifunctional furniture or storage. Cushions and throws in early tones will tie everything in together. That's wrap for today's episodes of Greenscapes. Remember, no space is just too small to embarrass the beauty of nature. With a little imagination and the other right plants, you can turn any corner of your home into a green heaven. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy gardening.